Hey, my people. Alaafin Oyo don go buy new house to take beg Olori Anu to come back to palace. Say he no go fit open in two eyes wey be say go still lose Olori Anu the way he take lose Olori Badirat. Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How you guys doing? My name is Mama SOJ. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any of my updates about the celebrities. So guys, let's get into the video. Those of una when I don't know Alaafin Oyo na one of the Yoruba king for Yoruba land. And those of una when I don't know Olori Anu na one of the Alaafin Oyo wife. So recently news go on say Olori Anu and Olori Dami run comot for palace because they don't tired of the king. Because Olori Badira don't fair comot, and they thought say since Olori Badira go fit make am without the king, we be say she dey meet up and everything about her dey good. She dey happy even more than the way she dey for palace. She can't even dey make am pass when she dey for palace. Olori Badira never expect say she go fit make am like that without the king. She just come up for the palace since she know they happy, and the other rest wife that they gang up against her. They think say if they pursue and come up for palace, she go feel dey frustrated. So my people, now only Olori Dami na can go back to palace. So be say her mother return and go back to palace. Say she must finish what she starts. And she thought say she won't marry the old man. So why she can't dey run say the old man no go fit do the thing for under. So Olori Anu say she know they go back. Now the king say they don't threaten Olori Anu family tired. They don't know where Olori Anu dey. Olori Anu hide. Where we say they know her number no they go again. So the king come to say, why we see na your own favorite wife? Now they come they run come up for palace. Say he love Olori Anu where he no go feel leave Olori Anu. Me another person collect Olori Anu for him and say when in day life. Now people tell her say the rest women where they for palace. You never certify them finish your you dey stretch and go they meet Olori Anu. So now for Olori Anu to come back, the king can go buy new house for Olori Anu to beg and say make she come back, make she beg me Olori Anu come back. But still yet Olori Anu never see go back. Maybe Olori Anu want make the come chop her with jeep. Olori Anu say if she do smart the way she want come up for the palace, say now only when she dey the palace now she get access for the house where the king buy. Say the king go talk say he buy house, he buy car. If they want come up for palace, the king go seize everything for their hand. Wey be say they go with empty hand. Say na so they do Olori Badirat or Olori Badira car. Everything wey Olori Badirat get, they collect am for her hand before she come up for the palace. Now the king don still go buy as they beg Olori Anu make come back. Olori Anu say no, na deceive na the king they deceive am. Say if he reach palace just now, all the paper of the house, the king go say with time. If he no dey again, they go handle the paper, give us everything they with the lawyer. Say now so the king they deceive person. Say she no won't go back, even though the king say she build house. Say if she build that, the king go talk say the house now for them. Say later the king go talk say he no go fit hand over the paper for now. Say if she no dey, if he no dey again, now the lawyer go come pack all the paper, give the queen. Say the queen say she no go fit go back. Say she don't tire. Say house no be problem. If she need love, man wey go always dey there with her. No be say man wey be say she need to take appointment to make photo shoot. No be say man wey be say need to take appointment to write letter before the king go come in room. At least after, if he come this week now, before they go see him again now another 3 months again. If he can't see come now sleep, now he go dey sleep. She no go fit for that thing again. And every time again, if the king can't see manage, can't sleep in room, the next day morning the rest queen they go dey fight am, they go dey mop am, they go dey fight over the man wey be say she no get privacy, wey be say with the man, wey be say she go even fit talk with the king for at least 3 hours or 4 hours. Say be say they go gather dey plan life together, just dey talk normal as husband and wife. Say e no dey like that because there many wey be say they want see queen, wey they want see king, wey they want talk to king. Say e no possible, she no go fit for that kind life again. Say every time if she will say she want talk to the king, now that time now another queen go talk say he want see the queen, and again visitor go see the way be say the king go attend to. So tell the king self he never even fit attend to all the visitor wey come look for and finish. Now them wey be say they be the king wife, now the king go come fit attend to them. say as she young, so may imagine maybe say before the king go fit dey touch her, wey go fit dey near am once in 3 months, once in 4 months, and na with appointment and letter, and they go write say okay, oh, the king, I wan see you, oh. And again early morning 5 o'clock, the king don wake up, comot for the room again, because visitor go start to dey enter palace from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. From 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, they don start to dey come. So my people, you come to say wetin come be the meaning of the enjoyment. Say house is not the problem, car is not her problem. Say she don already get the name. They don, at least any business wey she put her hand now, e go dey go well, because they don already know say at least she na former wife of the king. And the king say no be I, another person go take marry this Olori Anu, as long as say in dey life. Olori Anu say the king no go deceive, he just dey deceive her with the house. Say the house no be say go give am paper. House wey you give person wey be say she no get paper of the house, she go talk say na you get the house. At the end of the day, the king go dey come the letter, dey tell you say if he don comot for the, if he no dey again, na him be say he go fit give am the paper of the house. Now he go fit get access to the house. Say for now the paper, you no go pack the paper for their hand. He say house no be a problem, o make the king owe her property. As she dey comot, she comot with empty hand. The empty hand wey she take come, na she still take comot. Say if na the money wey the king take sponsor am for school, she go fit gather the money, work and give the king back. Make the king just give her, make get her own freedom, make she move on with her life. Say enough is enough. She no go fit dey die of problem for inside palace. Maybe say she go come dey shoot photo, she dey make up all the time, dey dance inside video. At the end of the day, nothing. She not dey happy. Every time she dey face quarrel for palace with other queen. He say sometimes like this, the king go wan go party. The king, he no go fit follow king go party. Say oh, king get the another special person wey be say they follow and go party all the time. Say that one no be life. You get husband, na appointment you dey take with the husband. You no go fit even talk say okay, I'm going out with my husband. Say you go even flex with your husband, have a nice time with your husband. So anytime when you want get nice time with the man, na so the rest queen go must dey there. So for that reason, he need the own, she need to move on. Go look for her own future husband. At least make she plan her future. Say now she don wise. Say before her eyes no open, and now wetin she dey expect no be she meet. She no know say the palace go be like that. Say the man don old, make the man dey with the rest queen. Say him dash them the king, make they carry the king dey go. Say she no need am. Say if Olori Badirat fit make am, she sef go fit make am. So wetin me got to talk be say, when you know say na like this, say this man don old, why be say you can't dey born for the man? I been at this the man say the old una down. I be they tie you down. The man say he no propose to any of his wife. Say now on the first on herself, if he even don't train on a go school finish. Now they talk say na one stay. Say na no one come out again. Say now as na don't test and I don't born put now because Olori Badira don't come out now. Na come they talk say Olori Badira they make on herself one run come out. He say now no go just feel run like that. Say na must come back to palace. Say e no possible because now he train on a go school and na herself say na go marry him. He no propose to any of una. He no toast to na say na go stay for palace. Mariam. So why una come dey run and I reach half of phone and come say na wan turn back? Na no go turn back oh. Na go dey there. The king say e no possible, e no work like that oh. So I no come know now Olori Anu dey say make you come carry house, so make you go carry house. Now you see property you dey run. You see money you dey run. Where you dey run dey go? Go carry the house wey the king say him bid for you. The king say na you him build the house for, say na you him buy the house for. Because of say you run comot for palace, make you for come back. So make you go carry the new house wey the king buy for you oh. No just let the house empty like that. May you go carry the new house. So my people, now that one me get to talk for this matter. May not let me know what you think for the comment section. And if una never subscribe, may not subscribe so that una no go miss any celebrities gist wey I dey upload. May not take it till I come on away next time. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.